Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to hide any file or folder on macOS. The first and most effective way is using the terminal. To start, hit Command Space, type terminal, and press Enter to open the app. I have a photo and a sample folder here on my desktop. To hide a file, type the following command: chflags space hidden. Then hit the spacebar. The next part of the command is the path of the file or folder you want to hide. Simply drag and drop your file or folder right into the terminal window and the path will fill in automatically. Now press return. As you can see, that file or folder has vanished from the screen. To unhide it, use the exact same command but replace hidden with no hidden. The file will reappear. The process is exactly the same if you want to hide a folder. Now, if you have a folder containing many hidden files and want to show them all at once without doing it manually one by one, do this. Type chflags no hidden. Copy the path of the parent folder and paste it into the terminal. Then add a / and an asterisk. The asterisk here stands for everything inside. Press return and all hidden files will appear. Now let's move on to method number 2. But first, you need to know that macOS has 2 file display modes. By default, macOS hides system files because regular users don't need them. The second mode shows everything, including system files. To toggle between these 2 modes, press the shortcut Command-Shift-. When you are in the Show All mode, hidden files will appear slightly transparent or ghosted, so you can distinguish them from normal files. For method 2, make sure you are in Show Hidden Files mode first. Then, we use a renaming trick to make macOS treat it as a system file by adding a dot at the beginning of the file name. After renaming, press Command-Shift- again to switch back to hide mode. The file you renamed will disappear. Note that if you try to add the dot while you are still in hide mode, you will get an error message. macOS prevents this naming convention in that specific mode. This is why many people get confused when they can't rename files with a dot at the start. So I've shared 2 ways to hide files on macOS. However, this isn't the perfect way to hide sensitive data. If you need higher security, check out my tutorial on how to password protect your folders. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.